Filmmaking is an art. The cinematic shots that you use in your movie can either make or break your movie.
These cinematic shots are used by professional filmmakers in Hollywood, like the Russo brothers. Hey guys, so today I'm going to explain about these 5 cinematic camera shots you can use to level up your filmmaking to the next level. So if you're a beginner filmmaker, then make sure to use these 5 cinematic shots in your next filmmaking project. So in an establishing shot, we're basically just showing the location. We're simply showing the audience where is the scene actually happening, where is this action taking place. So when you look at this scene, you can easily tell that this scene is actually happening in a forest. And when you see this house, you can tell that this is Steve Rogers' house, and the next scene is going to happen at Steve Rogers' house. So just by looking at the scene, the audience can know, okay, so this scene is happening in this particular location, and they immediately connect to the scene. So profile shot is when we're only showing one side of the character clearly, and in this scene we can see Thor only from one side. Now, profile shots are used to convey emotions. You can see that Thor is very emotional because he has a big fight coming up against Doom, and he's praying to the All-Fathers to give him strength. Check out this video where I explain about cinematic shots. So close-up shot is used to show the facial expressions of a character, so the audience can understand what the character is actually going through. Close-up shot is used to connect the audience directly with the character and what the character is feeling. That emotional depth that a character has, we're trying to connect the audience with that emotional depth. So in a ground level shot, the camera is placed completely on the ground. The camera is placed on the ground, filming his footsteps and him getting off the bike. So an over-the-shoulder shot, so the camera is simply placed behind a character's shoulder. Now just imagine two people talking to each other, right? So they're standing in front of each other or they're sitting in front of each other and they're talking to each other. So the camera is placed behind one character's shoulder, filming at the other character. Over-the-shoulder shot is basically used to show the relation between these two characters to make the audience feel like they're actually a part of this conversation. Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. Now I'll be making more videos about filmmaking tips, so be sure to subscribe and check out this video where I explain about cinematic shots. Thank you.